If your Kia Sportage is making a rapid ticking sound but won't turn over, you're likely dealing with a simple power delivery issue. In over 80% of cases, that rapid clicking is just the starter solenoid failing to engage due to low voltage. Before you call a tow truck, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to save you a massive repair bill. Start by checking for loose or corroded battery terminals, as even a small gap can prevent the car from starting. If your terminals are clean, the issue is usually a dead battery cell or a starter motor that has reached its end of life. For Kia owners specifically, check the engine ground strap for rust, as this is a known weak point in the Sportage electrical system. A jump start might get you moving today, but if your battery is over 4 years old, a replacement is the only permanent fix. Cleaning your terminals costs almost nothing, while a full starter replacement can run you several $100s at a dealership. If the battery is good, try tapping the starter motor with a wrench. If the car starts, you've confirmed the starter is the culprit. Keep a basic 10mm wrench and a portable jump pack in your Sportage to avoid being stranded by these common issues. Remember, repeated clicking can actually damage your electrical system, so stop trying once you've identified the sound. Check those battery connections first, and you'll likely be back on the road in minutes. Thanks for watching.